What's up? What's up? What's up? How's everyone doing tonight? Okay, so we got chicken delight. So cut up my little vegetables already. Cut my chicken breast up. Wow, excuse me. Season my meat and now I'm finna sizzle it. Get it cooked. To add my vegetables here in a second. Left out the onion. Not know why, but yeah. And those of you who are listening and who have gotten this far, give me a subscribe. I'm trying to get up there. Oh, Lord. It's getting there. Yeah, I was trying to shred the meat a little bit more. Because this recipe, it can be like two recipes. I can use one with my croissants, and then the other one I can use, it could be cheesy, using with crackers or yeah, crackers or chips. Okay, so adding my hot sauce, cream cheese. I had to melt the cream cheese a little bit because it would take forever to melt on in there. Giving it a little stir so that he can get that melted cream cheese up. Okay, got that sizzle. Looking good. Cream cheese melted. Now, topping it with like 3 more cheeses. I was gonna put some jalapenos, but with the other sauce, it's spicy. It's hot. So that was Parmesan cheese, Kobe cheese, and what was it? Cheddar, medium. Okay, give it a good stir. I make a cheese sauce like this that I do use jalapenos in it, but nothing but cheese in it. It is delicious. Then top, sprinkle of the cheese on the top. Here we go. Very cheesy. Voila! Let me say it again. Voila! It's very fattening also. Then top it with Parmesan ranch. There we go. Let me I put garlic on top of the bread also. And voila.